Hey everyone, Jason here, aspiring entrepreneur, and today I wanted to debunk another just stupid marketing gimmick that is thrown at us a lot as entrepreneurs. And today's marketing gimmick is a two-parter. So the first part is fire your boss, and the second part is stop building someone else's dream so you can build yours. And I'm going to go through my thought process and how really these are just two marketing messages that aren't going to help you be a better entrepreneur. If you missed the last vlog, I essentially made the case that working your job and building your business at the same time is possible, if not beneficial to you in the long run, and working and being an entrepreneur aren't necessarily mutually exclusive, and you're not a failure as an entrepreneur if you have to do both for a period of time. So in this video, I wanted to talk about the firing your boss message that we get a lot and building someone else's dream message that we get a lot. I will admit that my argument for the second one's a little weak, but I'm going to present it anyway because I think it's going to be beneficial. So the first one is the whole firing your boss so you can work for yourself. What's really, really frustrating about this and the whole mindset of I'm going to be free and I can do whatever I want is just not true. Because over here, your boss tells you what to do, they tell you what they want, and then you deliver a result, right? If the result's good, the boss is happy. If the result's bad, the boss, won't be happy. Sometimes, even if the result is outstanding, the boss still isn't happy, and no matter what you do, the boss will always be upset or angry or complain. I've been there, it kind of stinks, right? Then you have the other side where you're an entrepreneur and you have no boss, right? You set your own hours, so you do whatever you want. Except we always seem to forget that as an entrepreneur, as a business, you still get paid, right? You get paid over here, you get paid over here. Over here, you're being paid by something called clients, something called customers. And you work for those clients, and you work for those customers, just like you work for your boss. And just like sometimes you deliver something that you think is fantastic, and your boss doesn't like it, you're gonna deliver something you think is fantastic, and your clients aren't gonna like it. Your customers aren't gonna like it. And being on both sides, I can tell you that I can wholeheartedly say, if you have a bad boss, you have not seen anything yet. It is 10 times worse over here. So imagine the worst boss you ever had, multiply that by 10 or 20, and that's what some of those clients and customers are going to look like, especially when you're just getting started and you're trying to figure out how to filter out the bad apples and be comfortable with firing clients. So the first myth that you're going to fire your boss, you're just trading one boss for another. You're still going to have clients or customers that don't like you. You're still going to have clients or customers that complain about every little thing you do. And you're still going to have clients and customers who are never happy no matter what you do. You are always working for someone, because running your business, you're delivering a product or service to provide a result to someone, and whoever that someone is technically your boss. They're the person that's paying your bills. They're the person that you are responsible to delivering the result that they want, just like you are responsible to your boss at work delivering the result that they want. So I hope that makes sense. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get some nasty comments in the comment section, but really, over here, over there, both sides, you work for someone. So this whole you're free and you work for nobody, that's not true unless you're trading stocks, right? So you're always working for someone, because a business and a job is all about you providing value to someone else, which brings me to the whole building someone else's dream part, right? Even though this is a bit of a stretch, in both instances, you're building someone else's dream. You're helping someone else be successful. You're delivering a result. You're delivering a benefit. In a job, it's probably predefined. As an entrepreneur, you're delivering a result. You're delivering a benefit, whether it's a product or a service, customers or clients. And presumably, your product or service, I would hope, is contributing to your clients or customers' dreams or aspirations. So as an entrepreneur, as a business owner with an amazing product or service, you are fulfilling the desires of your clients and customers, and therefore helping to build their dream. Yes, it's a bit of a stretch. Okay, just bear with me here. Just like over here, you are delivering a benefit or a result in the form of what you do from your job to your boss and the company that you work for. So I hope that makes sense, and it's a little repetitive from the last one, but I just wanted to debunk those other two because those are the two that we see a lot. So just a quick summary. rushing to quit your 9 to 5 job, that's silly. That's just a marketing message thrown at you. The whole stop building someone else's dream and start building your dream, that's also a marketing message that's being thrown at you. And just because you're working your 9 to 5 doesn't mean that you're only building someone else's dream. That cash can be transferred to your dream. So building someone else's dream can actually help build your dream as well. And on the entrepreneurial side, you're always building someone else's dream. That's the definition of making an awesome product or service. And number 3, firing your boss. You're going to have a boss at work. You're going to have a boss as an entrepreneur because you have clients and customers over here. Maybe you just have 1 or 2 bosses over here, but you're always working for someone, because the essence of having a business or having a job is you delivering a result to someone that wants it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you're still liking, if you're still watching, go ahead and hit that like button, and make sure you stay tuned for next week, because I'm going to be providing a big business update on why I've started to take on clients again, and some big lessons learned jumping back into the digital marketing space of servicing clients, things like 0 invoices, office hours, and Google Calendar scheduling. I think those 3 are going to be really, really big, so make sure you stay tuned for next week's vlog for that. So until the next video, keep building the business you love. Take care.